Hey guys, welcome back. So today on this video, we're talking about your Stan Store, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete a customer from your Stan Store? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete a customer from your Stan Store anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you got a nasty email from one of your customers, they want you to remove them from their system, whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stan Store. Check my video description. I'm going to try to leave all the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged in here to my Stan Store. Now, in order to delete or remove a customer from your Stan Store, you need to click on this button here, Customers. It has a little heart next to it. Once you click there, you will see a list of all of your customers in your Stan Store. However, in order to delete or remove any of your customers, just scroll through until you find the customer. So for this one right here, we'll just click on their line right here. Okay, so once you click on the customer, you're going to see more information about that particular customer in your Stan Store. And in order to delete them, you need to click on these three little dots here to the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see these two options, and you want to click on this one called Delete Customer. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up confirming that you would like to delete that customer from your Stan Store. If so, click on this red button, Delete Customer. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes. You can see that that customer has now been deleted from my Stan Store, so they no longer will receive any emails, and they're no longer set up on my emails. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to delete or remove a customer from your Stan Store, that is the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.